Everybody, together with me, Dimas Yunani, today we will make Υουβετζι Greek food. We prepare meat 1 kilo, garlic 2 pieces, onion 1 pieces but bigger, black pepper, soft and hard black pepper, olive oil, salt and tomato. Together with me, Dimas Yunani, today we will cook Υουβετζι oven. I explained before, we prepare 1 kilo meat, 2 pieces garlic, 1 big piece onion, black pepper hard, olive oil, salt and tomato, also rice. Okay, now we start. Put olive oil, we put onion, garlic, exactly for the meat we make cook first with salsa tomato. After, if meat finish, we put in here together with rice and we put it in oven. Now the meat, you see, fresh meat. Meat. Okay. Put tomato sauce. Water 100 milliliter. And put 3 Daphne fresh. Put black pepper, okay, hard black pepper and salt. Okay, a little bit more. And we stir. Put more tomato sauce. Now, exactly for one box, we use half only. Step again. And we close until done. Exactly to wait until the meat cook. We prepare 30 minutes. After that, we put in a pan together with rice and we put in oven. Okay, see you. I think it's done. We close the fire. Here, inside here, before we put in oven. You see, lovely. We prepare with 1 mug rice. Put a little bit water. Okay. Ready. Go to the oven. Ibu-ibu di rumah di Indonesia, kali ini saya membuat Youvetji Greek food. Jadi daging seperti saya jelaskan tadi, ya kita buat seperti ini, ya kita masukkan beras, lalu kita campurkan. Setelah itu kita oven kurang lebih 20 menit. Jangan lupa ibu-ibu di rumah, salam Indonesia. Kita tunggu 20 menit. Untuk ovennya 180 derajat. Oke. All my friends, now we check ready or not. Exactly, if you see the rice not done yet, you must put a little bit water. You stir it again, and after that you put it again, and I'm sure this on 5 minutes will be ready. Now the temperature I make it 200, okay, to make a fast. Okay, I think it's ready. Lovely. Now you can see this original Greek food. Υουβετζι, Ελληνική pagito. Now I prepare in my plate. More meat. Oh, the smell good. Baunya sangat wangi, harum. Rizι, Oreo. Everybody in the house, thank you for watching my video today. I make Youvetji Ελληνική κουζίνα. Now I try how it is. Lovely. Bon appetit. See you next video with me, Dimas Yunani at Aten channel. Thank you for watching. Don't forget subscribe, like, and share. Terima kasih ibu-ibu Indonesia. Sampai jumpa. Bon appetit, koreksi, selamat menikmati. Salam Indonesia. See you tomorrow. Ciao.